Hi guys, so we're gonna be doing some interviews today. Wait, Dom's leaving! Dom's leaving! You know where Dom is?
Dom.
We're doing some interviews, Dom, and like I guess we're gonna wait. So
Come on, get in here.
Dom, introduce
I'm sweaty.
yourself.
Hi, guys.
How was the race?
Well, technically it's not a race, but it was very fun.
Damn. It was very fun. From the segments, what was your favorite one?
First one.
The first one? What about it though?
Well, we did the recon, so we know the route.
Yeah.
2 punchy climbs and then rolling. And the area is familiar, so the roads are nice.
You did the 160, right? Damn, that was intense.
Jeepneys to run you over. But I think the toughest one is the fourth for me. Fourth segment.
That was that. Oh wait, so the last one was not hard for you?
Well, by default it's hard, but fourth segment, everyone is conserving, everyone is watching each other, so you gotta be on your game.
What was your strategy throughout the race? Because that was a long one.
And just fuel and survive.
Fuel and survive.
And try not to hit, you know,
potholes?
Potholes and sand. There's a lot of sand.
Okay. Can we weigh your bike just for the sake of?
Why are you not? Why didn't you ride the 160?
We're too weak for that.
So,
Alright.
yeah.
Nice kid.
Plug. Designed by Gab Loste. Bigat yan. 7.565.
Not bad. Do you wanna?
Ano na?
Arrow, that's deep wheels.
Ano na?
Thank you. So thanks, Dom. Congrats to your finishing. Now introduce yourself first.
I'm Coach Mervin Santiago. I'm a bike feeder and a triathlon coach.
Okay. So what segment was your favorite one?
The last part, the last one. Yeah.
What was your strategy?
Just keep the pace with them. And yun, sa likod lang.
Do you think you've placed?
I think second.
Damn, for real?
I think second.
We'll find out soon. So anyway, where's your bike? Can you do like a quick? Come on. So can you give a quick description of this one?
Trek Madon Gen 8, size small.
So I assume this is bike fitted by you.
Yes, of course. I have a 130 mil stem with 37 width and LED cranks with power meter.
How light do you think it is?
I think
If you know your bike.
maybe 7.3.
7.3. Let's see. We have the scale. Here we go. Final weight is?
Oh, it's heavy.
No, but it has a bottle.
Yes.
So it's probably what? 7.3. No way, 7.3?
It should be, like, without the bottle.
Alright, thank you, sir. Mervin. Hope to see you again in the other races. Alright, who do we interview next? Oh yeah, shout out.
Shout out to my teammates from Opus.
Yeah. Gian! I'm Charles pala. Congrats. I know his bike is light.
No.
You can see he's got the Dorimo specs, the altitude saddle. Crap. Okay, wait.
I'm Gian. I ride bikes.
Alright. How was the race though? Like overall, the 160 is wild.
Yeah, mainit. Yeah, yung elevation yung mahirap eh.
Really? So what was your strategy?
Wala. Just
ride to the
raw
field.
dog lang yan.
So what about your bike are you most proud of?
Yeah, my bike.
Yeah.
So, naka-altitude saddle, the Remo, Cybri, and LLE.
Dang.
Light bicycle na wheel set. Then, ano nga ba yung rotor na yan?
Ashima.
Ashima, yeah. I don't know my bike.
This is really light. This is light stuff. So do you know your weight? The weight of your bike? Are you aware? Because we have
8?
8? No way. That's not 8, man.
Probably 8, no?
This looks like a sub 6.8.
No, hindi. Makapal
Okay.
yung wheels.
So,
We'll see.
can you wait?
Yeah, go.
Without the bottles, para we're sure.
Go.
What is it? That thing is illegal. There! This is light. No wonder it's so fast.
Tapos hindi pa rin naka-climb, no? Shit!
Congrats.
Ay, nice seeing you.
Next. I know a guy here, his name's Alex. He's got a really light bike. He's a weight weenie. He's over there. Let's go interview him. Come on. Alex, we got a weighing scale. We have the interview. Congrats, Alex. So this is Alex pala. Congrats on finishing the 160. What's your favorite part of the event?
Oh, maybe the final climb.
The final climb. The hardest one?
The hardest one. I don't know how I was still pushing the pedals. I was cramping both legs, so yeah, just powered through it.
If you were to give like an advice to future people going like to this event, what would it be?
Oh, well, train hard. Don't forget your nutrition. Plan it well. Yeah, that's it.
So can we just check out your bike real quick to see the one of the top finishers? We wanna do a quick weigh. Oh wait, or while going to it, what was your race strategy?
Race strategy? Just follow the peloton.
Oh wait.
Yeah.
Alright, so do a quick run through. We'll do a weigh after. Like, what's your bike?
The specs look so good.
Alright.
It's a new bike, isn't it?
Yeah, SL8, SRAM Red, and then Force Sports Evo S.
Alright, alright. Can you weigh your bike?
Sure.
Alright, cool.
So guys, I'm a bit. There you go. What is it? 6.8. Not bad. With the Garmin. With the Garmin. That's like 6.8. Thank you, Alex. Gotta
Introduce yourself first.
I'm Nash Lim.
How was the race?
Mahirap. Yeah.
But they said you beat them. Are you sure? So how do you feel you did though overall?
I did good. I did good.
Really?
Starting to train again. I'm on a building pace.
Do you think you placed though? That's the question.
I think.
First, second?
First maybe.
No way! First?
Yeah, I think.
Oh shoot! All right. So what was your strategy with your team? You guys were a lot. I noticed.
For the segment we take a rest. Then when on the segment we go all out.
Were you pulling in the front?
Oh yeah, I pull on the front.
Oh, okay. What was your favorite segment, and why?
The first segment.
The first one? Okay.
I like the climbs.
Dom nga said that was his favorite also. What about it though? Like, why do you guys like that segment so much?
Ang ganda nung climbs eh. Ganda nung climbs. The climbs was nice, long
Yeah.
and punchy.
Okay, so now we want to check out your bike. Do you have like a quick run through and then we'll weigh it? Is that okay? Okay. Ostrovam.
It's the Ostrovam V2 Legion.
What is your favorite component?
The group set.
The SRAM.
The SRAM.
U1?
Yeah, the E1. I really like the brakes.
It's really strong.
It's really strong. Then the cranks, it's really light. Cybrake cranks.
Sponsored by Cyber, I see. So
Yeah,
what weight do you think this is?
7.5 maybe. I think.
7.5. Let's find out. That could be winner's bike.
Wow, 7.5. 7.4.
But he was climbing aero, man. Aero is more important. Thank you. Congrats in advance if ever you're gonna win.